Hello everyone. Today I want to show you on how to export your project, which you can import back again in a different D365 environment. I will also show you that the exported project contains only source code and other metadata. First, I want to show that there is already a runnable class too, which I have explained in a previous video. So let's open Visual Studio to export the two runnable classes and experiment with it. I have the existing solution from the previous video, so just open it. In this solution, it has a project containing the runnable class 1 and runnable class 2. To export, right-click on Project, then select Export Project. Enter the file name as Hello World 1. So there, it has been exported and its extension is AXPP. Let's take a look what's inside of this file using pzip, but you can also use 7-zip to open it. Inside the file, it contains an XML file which is the export file metadata and its version. There is also the model metadata of the exported codes. There is a display name as well as its module reference, which is the package definition. If you want more detailed information on what is a model and a package, please look at my other videos covering them. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to support this channel. The file also contains the project definition file. It has a model name and the two runnable classes as reference. Under the project items, we can see the runnable classes and their actual source codes. So, what if we need to export only certain objects, like runnable class 2 only? First, we need to create a new project to contain the objects we want to export. We name it Hello World 2. Also, the model of the project needs to be set to Curious. Next, we need to open Application Explorer. If not yet shown, then go to View, Application Explorer. We need to view from the model view. Then search for Curious Model and add the object. Let's add runnable class 2 only. Right-click on it, then Add to Project. Once the project is saved, right-click on Project, then select Export Project. We name it Hello World 2. Let's take a look at what's inside the file again. The project file contains only runnable class 2 now. Under the project items, we can only see the runnable class 2. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support this channel. Click on the bell icon to get notification of my new videos.